Welcome to Learn Adams. My name is Tor Kjærensen. In this episode, I will show you how to do effective searches. The search is straightforward from the basic search bar. However, you will be more effective if you remember a few important facts. When you enter 2 words, the system treats that as an exact string. That means the more words you enter into the search bar, the harder it will be to get results. Ted Wilson gives relatively few results because it is treated as an exact string. Ted and Wilson will give you more. You may also enter Ted or Wilson to use or as the operator, and that will give a different result. Why these results? Because the Trans-European Division acronym is TED. Maybe you need a portrait of Ted Wilson, but there are so many of him in action. Portraits is a keyword that is used to designate formal portraits. Therefore, a search for Wilson and portraits should narrow your search. Please note that the various tabs across the top of Adams represent predefined searches into the main database of images. These tabs have been made to simplify your browsing. For example, on the key staff, you have just formal portraits of key staff members. If you search when you have opened one of these tabs, the search will be a combination of the predefined search and the search that you now specify. You see that baptism does not return any results in the key staff tab, but in the archive proper, there are many images with baptism. Note the numbers of hits here, and you also see the number of hits in each individual tab. The Publications tab displays the number of hits in the text of the magazines in the system. Here the hits are not only hits in the metadata, but in the magazine text itself. You clear your searches with the X at the end of the search bar. Let us return to the Key Staff tab. Images in this section have a yes in the specialized metadata field for Key Staff. Let's talk about advanced searches. When you use the basic search bar, the searches you enter here will search across all the different metadata fields. Photos in the database have information about the photos, and this information is organized in a number of specific fields or containers for specific information. Let's look at this information. The most important fields are caption, photographer byline, and keywords. And there are a number of other specialized fields. The basic search bar searches across information in all of these metadata fields. A search for Kissinger returns photos by photographer Joseph Kissinger and photographs of him. You see the 400 hits. Maybe you are interested in a photograph of him, not only by him. Then you need to specify that you're searching in the caption field. Go to the advanced search dialog. You find that when clicking the dots next to the basic search field. Here you may specify which metadata fields you want to search in. Click the Add Metadata Criteria, then select which metadata field to search in from the drop-down menu, in this instance the caption field, and then enter your search criteria. Now we get photos of the photographer as the subject. Please remember to clear your advanced search dialog when you have finished. The advanced search is in operation until you clear it. So if you forget to clear the advanced search dialog and continue searching for, say, Wilson in the basic search field, you will not get anything. That is because no files match the narrowing of the search you are just making. So I clear the advanced search dialog. Each metadata field has a numeric value, and therefore you may achieve the same result directly from the basic search bar. The numeric value for the caption field is 120, and the value for keywords is 25. A search for 120 : Kissinger will return photos with that term in the caption field. A search for 25 portraits will give you files with portraits in the keywords field. Those are the formal portraits. Whereas a search for 25 : persons is a wider term and will return many more files. If you want to learn more, go to the knowledge database of the software developer, learn.photoware.com, and type in search. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Adams. Let us show the world what God is doing through the Seventh-day Adventist Church.